Well, President Xi Jinping says China is open to discussing key points of its trade tensions with the US, including subsidies to industrial firms and state-owned companies. He says China will take an active and open attitude to talks on issues such as the digital economy, trade, and the environment. Xi spoke at the opening of the China International Import Expo in Shanghai, where he also mentioned policies aimed at boosting imports. Portuguese Prime Minister Antonio Costa is to face an early election on January 30th. This after Parliament rejected his budget last week. Costa, whose minority socialist government is halfway through a 4-year term, is heading for the vote with a lead in opinion polls. Peloton shares plunged after the fitness company cut its annual revenue forecast by as much as $1 billion and lowered its projections for subscribers and profit margins. On an earnings call, Peloton said it underestimated the impact of economic reopenings. Uber has reported its first ever adjusted profit, boosted by a recovery in ride-hailing and sustained demand in its delivery business. However, third quarter EBITDA of $8 million was wiped out by other expenses, including a write-down of its stake in China's DD Global. Those pushed Uber to a net loss of $2.4 billion over the period. Global news 24 hours a day on air and on Bloomberg Quick Take, powered by more than 2,700 journalists and analysts in 120 countries. This is Bloomberg.